Welcome to Puffs of Thought. If you are an avid subscriber, you've probably seen that I've completed this video already. However, with some technical difficulties, I need to pull that video and start anew. And so I'm going to redo my reaction. I've had all kinds of camera, YouTube issues just trying to bring this to you. But I really want you to have this Blackout Wednesday review of Jet Noire, as you can see from the title of this video. And so I'm going to show you some of the pieces that I got. Of course, like I said, I've already done this review, so I've taken everything out of its original packaging. But I had a little hanger to hang up the dress on, and I have the baggie that I stored the bustier top in. So I'm going to try on this. I love that it came in this fabric and a nice little thank you note in here. So in my original video, I had some difficulties keeping the straps on the mechanism.
Oh, this is interesting. Uh-oh. How did that happen? It popped off.
I went back to her website, and someone in the comment section who reviewed it also had a similar issue. And so basically what you want to do if you get this piece is make sure that the adjustable strap is underneath your body strap. So make sure you pull it so that it's on this side, and that will help secure it and keep it in place better than how I had it, which was over. So it goes on like a vest. Ooh. I'll unclasp it yet again. I gotta see how I did this. I'm trying to do this video like a stream of consciousness to kind of give you the full experience of my reviewing. Please bear with me as I push this back through. Now I'm going to zip it. This is a size small. I believe this is vegan leather. Okay. These shoes, just a little combat boot. Okay, and now I'm going to show you as much full body as possible. Okay, just for you to get an idea how it looks. Even though the strap stays on better underneath, it still loosens. through wear, and so I don't particularly like that. I still like the piece, so I'm not going to return it, but that's something I don't care for. It's like keeps loosening. I wish it could just stay secure. I ended up finding this brand on Twitter, believe it or not. It looks really great with the mock neck. The next piece I want to show you is a date night, going out little black dress. I'm actually going to keep the mock neck on. I tried it on last night when I did this video, and I thought it was really, really cute. It's really cute. So let's show you that. So I really love this dress. I think it's so flattering. The ruching, the satin-ish material. And I just stumbled across how good it looks with this mock neck tee. I didn't plan on wearing it like this, but I think it looks really good. This is the back. And I'm just gonna try to show you a full body. I think what I really like about the dress is that these tassels come loosened, and so you can adjust it. It naturally falls a little bit like here, and you just pull as high as you want and you tie. This was kind of a lazy tie, but it looks really great with the strappy heel. I really love this. And I haven't worn heels for so long, so excuse me if I'm tripping about the place. This is super cute. Yay! So naturally, I assumed that when I ordered my pieces that my favorite was going to be the bustier top. But I see now that I just absolutely love this dress. Check out Jet Noire. It's a fairly new business. I think the young lady who owns it is called Maya, and she's young, from Georgia. Give her all the support you can. She has some great pieces up there, so I definitely will be shopping with her again. So much for watching Puffs of Thought. Thank you for bearing with me and my technical difficulties today and this obviously late upload. I want you all to know that I will be back better and bigger for next week. Continue watching, like, comment, and subscribe. I so am grateful for your support.